In this tutorial, I will show everything you need to know as a beginner about wireframe in Blender. From simple viewport tricks to advanced per object selection with and without add-on. First of all, as a beginner, you may already know that in a Blender we have multiple shading modes. For example, if I press a Z key and go to the wireframe, you will see the entire scene in a wireframe. We can still switch on or switch off the extra mode, and if we go there and in a background, click on custom, we can change the viewport color. I will keep the default one. So let me go back to the solid mode, and in a solid mode we have the overlay. If we go there in a viewport overlay section under the geometry section, if I enable that, we have the wireframe overlay within the solid mode. It will remain same if I go in a material preview and in a render section. The benefit of these overlay is that we can adjust the opacity and also wireframe threshold. So to go further, let me disable that. The another stuff is what we want to see only one object in a wireframe. So I will select the object in a object properties, go down there. There is one tab, viewport display. We'll click on that, click on show wireframe. That will start showing you the wireframe. We can also enable the texture from there. That is in a display, there is a solid, we change it to the texture. That will start showing me the texture of this specific object. Let me try it in another object, which is a bed, single bed. I will enable the wireframe and also enable the textures. It will start showing you the texture and plus wireframe. And also if we want to show one object as a wireframe, so we will go there and we will select display as wireframe. It will start showing me the wireframe of this specific object. The next one is with the help of my add-on, which is created to solve these problems. Is called selective wireframe. So the add-on is already installed. I will go in a wireframe section. For the first time, I will have to click on a config viewport, and next we can easily enable or disable the wireframe, and also we can assign a different color to every object. Plus, if I want to reduce the opacity, I will just reduce it like that. It will reduce the opacity of these objects. As you have seen in a tutorial that we can do almost everything manually without the add-on, but of course with little bit less flexibility. So that is all from this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you have any question, feel free to ask me. I will try to answer. See you again.